हगरामा मोहल्लारी आने वाला है। ऑनरेबल एमपी कोकरजार मिस्टर जयंतो बसमतारी आने वाले हैं। बरपेटा एमपी श्री फानी भूषण चौधरी आने वाले हैं, उनको भी मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। और हमारे प्यारे आर्च बिशप गुवाहाटी के आर्च बिशप जॉन मोलचरा, गुवाहाटी के एमरिटस आर्च बिशप थॉमस मैनम्बरम्बिल, मान्यवर बिशपगण, भूटान के एपिस्कोपल विकार, respected MLAs, NCLAs, EMs, respected fathers, brothers, sisters, representatives from other churches, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. 25 वर्षों से बोंगेगांव धर्म प्रांत, नामनी अहोमर, नामनी असम का भाई बहनों को सेवा करते आए हैं। हमारे भाई बहनों की सेवा के लिए हम लोग बहुत सारे स्कूल और कॉलेज चलाते हैं। हॉस्टल, लड़कों और लड़कियों के लिए हॉस्टल चलाते आए हैं। और हमारे गैर कैथोलिक क्रिश्चियन भाई बहनों के लिए हम लोग एक्यूमेनिज्म का कार्य हाथ में लिए हैं।
After that, most Reverend Archbishop John Mulachira, then our Bishop Thomas Menambarampil, Emeritus Archbishop of Guwahati, then all the bishops. I also request all the bishops to come to the stage. Yes. I would also like to call the bishops, Right Reverend Paul Matakat, Diocese of Dipu, Right Reverend Bishop Wilbert Marvin, Diocese of Nongstoin, Right Reverend Bishop Michael Akasistopo, Diocese of Tezpur, Right Reverend Bishop Ferdinand Dakar Joy,
दायो जोङो जोंनि आलासि बिथां मानिजाथाव श्री जयंत बसुमतारी बिथां लकसभा समष्टिनि क'क्राझार लकसभा समष्टि
the government, civil, municipal, member of parliaments, all the dignitaries present, reverend fathers, reverend sisters, brothers, and dear lay faithful in our Lord Jesus Christ. I'm very happy to be present with you today and join you in the celebration of the Silver Jubilee of the Diocese of Bangkok, as well as the Silver Jubilee of the Episcopal Ordination of the Right Reverend Thomas Pulloppillil. I gladly greet all the archbishops and bishops present, and in particular Bishop Thomas, and the priests, the men and women religious seminarians, and the lay faithful of the Diocese of Bangkok, who have come here in large numbers. I also express my sentiment of respect and esteem to the members of Parliament, the government officials, the civil authorities, on whom I ask God's blessings in their endeavors to serve the common good. I enjoy also the presence of the representatives of other Christian denominations. This is a celebration of the journey in faith of the people of God, especially in the Diocese of Bongai-Gaon. On this occasion, we recollect the inspiring words of encyclical letter Lumen Fidei, which affirms that the Church is a mother who teaches us to speak the language of faith. And the Holy Father, Pope Leo XIV, points out that the Church should always be a school of humility for everyone, a home where all are welcome, a place where rivalries are set aside and where Jesus still speaks to us and teaches us